Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to leave you with 5 pointers. These are things that will help you progress forward in Spanish on your own as fast as you want to go at your own pace. Now these are just some helpful tips. So the first one I want to give you is make Spanish speaking friends. One thing you've got to remember about education and learning is that memorizing doesn't really help you. You have to internalize the information for it to become a real part in your vocabulary and everyday conversation. The second point I want to talk about is always laugh at your mistakes. I have made so many mistakes in conversation. I had to laugh at myself. You're gonna make mistakes, laugh it off, and have fun with it. I remember when I first started learning Spanish, I told the teacher that I wanted to swim instead of read. You can imagine how embarrassing that was. But you're going to make these kind of mistakes all the time, so don't let this discourage you. So you just gotta laugh at your mistakes and just move on and keep going. Now, the third reminder I want to tell you is remember your foundations. Remember those lessons you've learned in Spanish, so keep that in your knowledge bank and apply them when needed. The first thing I want to tell you is to continue learning on your own. Always learn new words, new vocabulary, new verbs. This is only going to help your conversation and prepare you to be fluent. And then, finally, practice all the time. It may be difficult at first, but once you start speaking in conversation, you will find that it will very quickly become easy. So these 5 little reminders, take them with you today, put them into your practice and your study time, and you're gonna find that you're really progressing forward at a very fast rate. And your conversation skills will be amazing, and people are going to be very surprised at how fast you learn Spanish. So I encourage you to remember these 5 pointers, put them into practice, and get out there and speak. Adios!